kitchen where the magic's made. Leah and Trisha got it laid. Low-carb dishes on the rise. Healthy meals usually pride.
Okay, we're going to do a pecan pie by Cooking with Christy Sullivan Keto Gatherings. And this is what we're going to make. So we're going to do the filling. 1.5 sticks of unsalted butter, and they want the butter on the stovetop, melting. And then we're going to go ahead and add 1/4 cup of water, 3/4 cup of powdered sweetener. Stir that in. I use Swerve confections. Now I'm going to use Swerve brown sugar, 1/2 cup. Stir that in. 1.5 teaspoons of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon from the Spice Shop. 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of maple extract. And whisk that together. That's what we're doing. So we do this until it's thickened, and then we'll remove it from the heat. Smells good. I went ahead and I got an already prepared crust, and then I put it in my own pan. Okay, now remove from the heat. And add the 2 eggs. And whisk. And then add 2.5 cups of pecans. And then pour in your pie crust. And then it says to bake at 350, 40 minutes. The pie is out of the oven. Looks a little burnt on top, and it's still sizzling.
In a kitchen where the magic's made. Leah and Trisha got it laid. Low-carb dishes on the rise. Healthy meals usually pride.